Welcome to the vlog, guys. From the beach, private beach of the property. Beautiful Bay of Bengal. Good morning, guys. From the balcony in Pondicherry. Look at this tree. The tree is so creepy. So today's plan is, haven't had breakfast yet. Go to two of the temples here. One is the famous Ganesh Ji ka temple. Other one is ISKCON. So both closes. One closes by 12:30. One closes by 1 o'clock. The time is 10:45. So I hope we make it in time. It says 35 minutes. Same place where we went to the Writers Cafe. It's right there itself. Probably post that we might go to Hidesign factory outlet. They have it here. So hopefully we can shop also. And ISKCON, if not possible now, we can go by 4. So both options are open. It's not like you have to must go. Let's see. That's it. I hope you're enjoying the vlogs. Watch today's vlogs. So yeah, guys, also please like, watch the videos. Awesome content. I'm trying to shoot. I walked almost 2-3 kilometers yesterday to shoot the content of the White Town. So show all your love that you guys are already showing. Please share, Madi, subscribe to my channel, and I promise you I'll give you amazing content. So yeah, we still have another day today and tomorrow in Pondi. So let's make the best of it. Thank you so much. Hello guys, see this? What is this, dude? Oh, happy man. Oh, this close. Wow. It's actually a peon. Holy show, no, this is baby. This is a baby, dude, actually.
Not a baby.
Making noise, no, that's why it went. Aramagittadu. Bandu horn hoditanu, idiot. Yo, Sigma in the house. Slept well, huh?
Oh, very good.
So heading to where all now? 2 temples?
I think let's finish off Vinayaka temple and the
Shopping.
ISKCON. Shopping as well as
Then ISKCON. Done.
Yeah.
This guy has to ask all the time where, what, how. 228. He's doing his work. How can I say anything? Anyways. Yeah, so the plan is Vinayaka temple first. See the cutie elephant that is there inside that. And obviously the god. And then shopping, because ISKCON will be closed, and then lunch, or probably lunch, then shopping. Lunch we might probably have in White Town somewhere or in Writers Cafe. Let's see. And what else? Yeah, that's it. After that, go to ISKCON and back to the resort. Today we have to come early. We need to try the chart at the beach. Sima, your dialogue now, please. Please, India is not
India is not for beginners.
Look at that heights. Oh wow, but majboori yaar, kya kar sakte log. They still work hard. No, at least people work, not sit at home and just chill. They work. And the bridge on the ECR, man, this ECR is a pain, I tell you, literally a pain. Look at people here. Not one guy wearing a helmet, not one. And this guy is right behind the auto. If that guy breaks, he'll fall in the river or sea, whatever this is. That's the sea there. See, you can see there. So came to this temple here. This is Vinayaka temple, is Ganesh Ji ka temple, and you have all these small market kinds for French again. It's in White Town itself. And then Adyar Anand right here. Wow. This is the Prasad for today. Very beautiful temple. You know, all these markets. You can buy all the things here only, large, and you can keep your footwear right here. Hello guys, again, amazing temple. Too good. There are like so many images of Ganesh ji here. Literally, like from Cambodia, China, Thailand, Vietnam, Sri Lanka, Khmer, Burma, everywhere. Beautiful. That, I think easily around 50 to 60 or more different types of Ganesh ji. So yeah, I'll show it to you when there are no phones allowed inside, but somehow I squeezed in a little to show it to you guys. Amazing temple. This is superb. This is called, wait, I'll tell you, Arulmugu Manakula Vinegar Devasthanam. Superb. Apparently there was an elephant here, it passed away. Sad shit. But lots of Ganesh is epic. Obviously this is lunchtime, so there was no idli, dosa, anything. So Simha just ordered curd rice. I'll probably eat in the Writers Cafe. I'll have coffee there, so we'll eat something there. So he's eating curd rice. How come gave aloo sabji with it? It actually tastes like curd rice from a temple, no? That's the temple right there. The traffic. Thank God I stopped somewhere far away, walked my way here. Otherwise we'd be stuck here. There's the cafe. What does this do? What is this? What is this? What is this? Cold foam, milk foam, Americano. Yeah. Clearless series. Hungry?
No,
No, not hungry.
lack of caffeine.
Oh. So, this is his actual usual self because from afternoon till evening, say probably 7-8 o'clock, he's inactive because it's his sleeping time because he works in the night shift. Post 7-8 o'clock till 3-4 in the morning, he'll be awake. Owl. This is the egg white omelette. This is the grilled chicken focaccia bread. As much as my hand size. Choto hand is also choto. This is makhani rice bowl. Nice. Good portion. Might ordered something yummy. Nice. This is how it's made actually, cold foam coffee, and this is ice Americano. So going to the police station now to... Oh, Simha's outside. I thought you were in the jail, bro. Oi. He's sunbathing. Oh wow, Crocs. Crocs India. I need a new pair soon. So we're doing some walk on the market area. Oh, wow, rats. Enjoy your meal. Sorry. And that's the Hidesign factory outlet. Building itself looks so nice. These are all beautiful bags. Hidesign, I'm sure you guys all know. Very nice. So these are the no. I'll not take you. It's very nice, superb, beautiful. Thought of showing you guys around, and then I'll see what I can buy. Oh, you ladies, this is heaven for sure. No, for ladies, this is what we bought.
அது மணி கிளிப் பண்ணீங்க கார்டு வச்சிட்டு காசு
This is mine, sorry. This one I got. This one for mom. This one for Unnati. This one for Unnati. This one for dad. It's also nice, you know. It's beautiful inside. It's green. The green theme we're going with. So this is the store, guys. This is bang opposite. Opposite Shamala Garments, Exotic India. Yeah, Rajendra's men's store, Shabnam. Basically, right next to that, this is the store. This is Hidesign factory outlet. There's this lady, Hema, who did amazing. Was very warm in welcoming us. So thank you, Hema ma'am, for welcoming us. We had some nice time, lovely shopping, beautiful experience. They have loads of designs, and if you guys want to pick something up, always come to the factory outlet. It's cheaper than the showrooms. Amazing. Someone fighting. So this is their showroom. So then the Hidesign factory outlet is that side. So yeah guys, that's about it. You guys can come here. Hema is very good in showing you the nice designs and all that. So must visit Hidesign factory outlet. Don't forget guys. You guys will love the place, especially women. This place is for you. This is the bar, and see this guy from the bar. Dude, let's drink responsibly, bro. Not a place to sleep. So from Hidesign, we have come to Pothis to get some lungi and all for my dad. Not lungi, kache panche. So yeah, dude, what just happened at the road end near Hidesign? Yesterday, what happened with me when 3 women racked my mirrors and just randomly just went, dude, like, you need to be very careful with the women riders of Pondicherry. They are dominated. They are dominated here. They dominated the men here. Go women, kudos. So what just happened, dude, at the end?
That one sound came.
Yeah, we came, come and see your uncle is howling his lungs out. It's like his BP would have shot so high. And the lady is like, didn't give a fuck, and she just, didn't give a damn, and she just started walking. Going. He's howling, she's like, hey, and she just ran away. Epic. Dangerous riders, huh? I think she's also dangerous. This is a huge mall here. Both these, that's the entrance. Bro, nothing for us here. What?
Adi sale exchange.
I'm saying we don't have anything here. Nope. Time pass. Huh? One there, first floor. And second floor here. One for women. The shopping. Hello. Mannequin 1, Mannequin 2. Went to the wrong floor. Apparently this is kids section. This is men's section. उसके ऊपर provisions. Fourth floor is 4th floor superstore. 5th floor electronics. All that. So done with the shopping.
Yeah, almost. I think Gaurav, you left something.
People who get it, who got it. This was kids section. Now we'll be going down and billing and going to ISKCON. If you guys are coming to Pondicherry, you have to come here. Ladies only, especially ladies.
No, sir.
You go mad looking at the collection of saris here. It's damn nice. So, done with it. He's gonna go get it built and go to ISKCON. But the amount of saris here, you'll go mad. It's epic. I'll just tell you in detail what all is there in every floor of this mall. It's called Pothys Sari Mall. This is the Pothys Mall. A to Z, everything is there. Must visit to Pondicherry. You have to visit here. They also gave us some coupons, but we won't be here. Around 2,500 worth coupons. But yeah, what to do? Give it to someone to buy it. Whoever is coming to Pondicherry from August 17th till September 17th, let me know. I have some discount coupons. Literally worth 3,000 or something or more. Whoever wants to come, please let me know. I'll give it to them. You can make use of it. Serious, I'm serious. Yeah, hey, Majboori guys sleeping here. Epic. So hot. सब मस्ती चल रही है. Mr. Simha, I told you guys, it's 4 o'clock. See, he's back.
Yeah.
He's in full josh now.
Yeah.
No, अभी कुछ भी बोलो, he'll be like, you know, I'm active. Till now he was sleeping. As soon as the clock hit 4, he's back. That's the power of Simha. He also did some. What did you buy, Ra?
Yeah, I bought some sarees from my mom.
I thought
The birthday tomorrow.
I thought for yourself you bought sarees.
Oh yeah, right.
Cross dresser.
Yeah, exactly. I just wanted to one for you to wear it and show it.
Oh, don't mind the jokes. Energy was really down. ISKCON will go tomorrow since it's on the way to Bangalore. Right now we want to go to the resort and chill because my throat is gone. I don't know what happened. Need to eat, drink some hot coffee, build some chat near the beach, chill on the beach, and then jump into the pool. So that's the plan. Yesterday, stuck in the jam. Today, peacefully we went through. There was some accident yesterday, that's why wrong timing. Anyways, be careful of these lady riders here, especially who have kids with them. They're like dangerous here, dangerous. Oh, Simha, something of yours is hanging. I mean, is in the air. Balloon, I meant, guys. What are you thinking? This is one creepy tree, seriously. The sun falling through that looks so beautiful. It's right next to our room. Yeah, people, we have reached property on time, 4:25. So I'll have some warm coffee, hot coffee, and then go to the swimming pool, had some chat by the beach and swimming pool, and then done for the night. Good day, beautiful temple, really beautiful. Okay, people, I told you I was supposed to tell you about the temple. I forgot all the shopping and all that. So this temple goes back up to I think 500 years back. It was built, and there are two fun facts about this. One, apparently they say if you this god residing here, Mr. Ganesh ji, if you like pray to him with full devotion, he is gonna remove all the obstacles in your life and make sure that all of your wishes come true with full devotion if you guys pray. So this is one thing. I couldn't take photo or video inside, otherwise I would have made sure that you guys also could see Ganesh ji and get the darshan. But I'm so sorry I couldn't do that because they were very strict. So there was no way in which even I could touch my phone for even using to do anything, even a message also. So it was that strict. I'm so sorry for that. If I can, I'll try and put in a picture. I think I've taken one, but I don't know. Let's see. The history I was saying, it was built 500 years back. So there's this incident that happened. The French, it was ruled by the French, right? In around 1678 or 1688, I guess. I might be wrong. So they built a fort right next to it. Okay, but then this it was coming as a hindrance to them. So they started throwing the obstacle in the sea. Each time they threw the Ganesh ji, the idol used to reappear. Listen to this, guys, Sima. Each time the French, they were throwing the idol into the sea. Each time they were doing that, it used to reappear on its own. They did it several times but failed every time. So they were like, oh, there is some magic in this. So they started following also. They made a temple for it. And another saying is, there is this, did you see anywhere there was a Swamiji's with a wide forehead and glittering eyes? Apparently, Swamiji who had a glittering eyes and wide forehead has taken Samadhi there. That's why it's become more auspicious. I heard it's auspicious for newborn babies also. So yeah, these are two facts. One of the top one of the top visits if you go to Pondi. So yeah, let's have a rest. Small fact. Pool is completely empty. Wow, what a sight. Oh, what is this, dude? Wow. This is a rainbow, right? Oh yeah, dude. It's a rainbow. Wow.
बहुत लकी होते हैं जो लोग रेनबो, बहुत लकी होते हैं जो लोग आओ।
First of all, going to the beach, you should see that. That looks mind-blowing. And you know something funny? That's the beach there. There's no clouds coming this side. It's coming from this side. It's gonna rain, man. You can see the rainbows here top. So going to the beach, look at Simba. With the red flag, he looks like Karnataka flag actually. He's proud of it. He's showing his muscles. That's the beach. That's the chat. Chat counter. This is the live chat counter. Nice. It's the beach. Absolutely no sun. And it's gonna rain. Crazy. Nice. So this is how the clouds have been formed, and this side is the beach. So funny that clouds are coming from this side. If you can see, there also cloud cover is covering. It's gonna pound any time now. Guys, look at this. Simba, what is this? It looks like some alien ship takeover. Yeah. Oh, it's completely covered. Madness. Only bright here. This also will be covered soon and it's gonna pound. It's gonna rain like mad. It's gonna rain. It suddenly becomes so cold. You can smell the rain also. It's like a passing cloud. It's gonna just move to the sea, I guess. It's the scene behind. It looks so beautiful. Yeah, peacock has 5 feet feather. What's happening, bro?
Just chilling in the pool.
Done with the pool time, huh?
Yep. Time's up. Let's go.
Let's go. Hello, people. This weather, this is the best attire. Sorry. It was really hot outside. I don't know, the AC had switched off on its own. It's a little hot now. So today's plan is to eat at the resort. Dinner and breakfast, so that we can leave early tomorrow and go to ISKCON and then Namma Bengaluru, so that we reach probably wait, let me have a talk with you. The plan is to reach leave by 10 from here, leave by 10, reach ISKCON directly by around 10:45. By 11:45 exit ISKCON. So from ISKCON, Tindivanam same road, Krishnagiri we should reach. My idea is to have again lunch on the way is the problem, bro. Like there are no good places, right?
We can do.
Can't we eat in ISKCON?
We can.
Right? They have good food.
Yeah, provided that they have the option of lunch. Because it closes by 1 o'clock. Right?
But we'll be there by 10:45, huh?
Yeah, that is not. the point.
Lunch might not start by then.
Yeah.
I think in and around there, if
Let's see.
if we find something around 11:45 when we
Sure.
leave, we'll take parcel and go.
Whatever.
So that on the way we can stop somewhere, chill and have food.
Yeah.
So that we survive till Krishnagiri.
Yeah.
From there we
can
have
do that.
options,
We can do that.
loads of options.
Or before leaving, like Tindivanam, we can even try some other restaurant.
Yeah, we can. 1 second, just sorry guys, 1 second. Room service. So yeah, you're saying Tindivanam you want to try, yeah?
No, probably on the way, where we can just try.
Tindivanam we will get. I think that's a good location for food.
Yeah.
We'll have quick lunch so that evening we have to stop again near Krishnagiri.
Yeah.
So we can do that. Okay, that sounds like a plan. Hello. So plan is set for tomorrow. How was today, dude?
Yeah. It was awesome.
Thanks to Simba for the temple. It was epic.
Temple, and then I finally had my white sauce pasta.
He wanted au gratin. Unfortunately, these people didn't have it. Sad shit. Very sad. Anyways, we'll see. Tomorrow, I don't think we can. Not possible.
Yeah, it's okay. That's fine.
We can do it in Bangalore anytime.
Yes,
So, apart from that, thanks to him for the temple. Like I told you, the temple was awesome. It had so many vigrahas of Ganesha in different forms, like what is found in Burma, China, and all. I've told you this. So, apart from that, shopping was epic.
Yeah, that was also good.
Our parents will be happy.
Yep.
So yeah, that's about it. And then we came back, chilled at the resort. What rainbow, what scenes. Oh, it looked like it's gonna pound and rain. It was just a passing cloud. It must be raining somewhere in the sea. Anyways. So yeah, that's about it. So just chilling. Probably by around 9:30 we'll go to the dining place. Again, belt food. So guys, that's about it. Take care. I'll talk to you soon. I'll show you the spread for tonight. So this is the walkout door, and then heading inside. So we have Malabar mutton biryani, dum murg biryani, and sweet and sour fish curry. And this is the beauty of it here, egg curry, epic. And this is the live counter. This is hara bara kebab, quesadillas. So wow. Some nice rotis happening here. So what do we have here? Dry fruit pulao. Very nice. This is aloo jeera. Wow. Sabji saja wala. Paneer makhan wala. And dal kabila. Nice. This is, I don't know what, there's no names here. This is the dry fruits, and this is curd rice for sure. They're papad, chutney puri and all that. This is peanut, all that. This is black brown rice salad. Nice. I think this is all salad here. Steamed rice. This is veg in hot garlic sauce. Nice. Singapore noodles. Yeah. Veg again. Butter toast vegetable. Yeah. Nice. Pasta alla Siciliana. Very nice. Sauteed. What is this? Yeah, millet rice. And Roti. I don't know what this is. Looks yum. This is a chettinad. Wow. sambar, and this is rasam. Nothing to beat this. Yeah. Peaceful. What is this? I think this is your chat. Yeah. This is your chart. Pura sorted है मोर badami sharma. Nice. This is bread, and this is creamy veg soup. So nice, super nice, guys. And this is coconut pudding. Wow, egg base, yum. And this is ABC halwa, carrot cake, double chocolate. Wow, bro, this is shahi tukda. Oh, I knew it. This is legendary, man. I like it. Dal fry, aloo jeera, chicken. This is some veg sabji wala, and this is roti. These are some starters. Our beautiful thing got by Mr. Sima. Rice and dal. Roti and Sima. What is this? Same? No, chicken and this veg.
Chicken and this is veg.
Veg.
Peri peri
This is what
chicken.
peri peri. How is it?
Bland.
Not good. Dude, why don't you go and tell him that?
No, it's not the peri peri. I can say.
It's not peri peri.
It's just re.
Good one. Okay, Siva. Good food, peaceful food.
Yep.
Nice dinner. Sleepy now? It's raining also.
Yeah, dude.
Good weather.
Crash.
Good weather.
Yep. It's rainy, but it's okay. Hopefully,
It should be cool for us tomorrow.
tomorrow morning.
That's it.
I'm just worried about just tomorrow morning.
Yeah, no worries. Anyways, aram se sleep madi, chill madi.
Yep.
Yo guys, done now. Going to sleep now. Good food. Nice it was. Sima,
Good night, guys.
good night. So guys, let's
Have a
end.
good day.
Yeah,
Bye.
have to drive tomorrow and again boring Tiruvannamalai road. Probably we'll see ISKCON and go tomorrow. That's about it, guys. You guys haven't subscribed. Whoever hasn't subscribed, please subscribe, Madi. Like Madi. And you guys will love today's vlog. It's nice. I design this thing and all. Super. Anyways, good night, Madi. Take care. See ya.